Okay na?
The fuck is that?
Sumisilip ako sa fogs. Oh, it's Chichay. Chay, likod ka muna, Chay. Oh, go. Bye-bye. Okay, so, for today's episode of What Are We Working On at Night again, we are doing fog lights for this, Isuzu Crosswind. So, we're replacing his, tawag dito, halogen fogs for our projector fog lights. So, tricolor na siya with high beam option, but sa high beam, need mag-splice. So, client option na lang yung splicing. Ayan, let's go. Let's begin. So for comparison, this is the stock OEM fog light with the aftermarket bulb. Ito yung projector fog lights. So as you can see, yung stock, it uses a reflector lang. More often than not, mali kasi yung placement ng bulb so you don't get full brightness. And ito yung nakakasilaw. For projector, it has a fine cutoff. So you don't blind oncoming drivers. And definitely mas malakas talaga ito without the sabog pattern. So projector, stock. Projector, winner. Okay, so we have one side with the projector, one side with stock. Light output, projector, crispy cut off, halogen, no cut off. Yan yung output. So we are done with the install. I'll turn it on. Lights go on. Look, fog lights on. So it was more or less a 30-minute install for this car. It varies per car. Some cars mahirap, some cars are easier. So for this, it's pretty straightforward. So we have it on white, yellow, and all weather. So that's our output of our fog lights, boys. Go back to white, yellow. So different colors, what do they mean? Pag all weather, ito yung all around. So this mimics quote-unquote halogen bulbs. Also medyo on the white side siya. So for all weather, it's good for rain, fog, dust, yada yada. For white, it's more of an aesthetic / street thing. When it rains, wala ka nang makikita. You're gonna be blinded because it's gonna get reflected off the, natawag dito? Of the raindrops. So as fogs. For yellow, ito yung best when it comes to, you know, harsh weather conditions like heavy rain and fog. It will cut through it talaga. Then this is it versus its headlights. So yeah, fog light's pretty good, mate. Works better than headlights. That's it for today's install. We'll have another fog light in, I think tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow. Bye boys, it's been a while.